To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss about one more problem in which they have given the details of two different firms. So the question is on the screen. Please take the screenshot of the question or at least pause the video and write down the question, or it's better that you solve along with me. Calculate the financial and operating leverages of the following two companies. So two companies details they have given. We need to find out the operating leverage as well as the financial leverages. So they have given the sales of firm A and firm B, variable cost they have given, fixed cost they have given, and interest they have given. Now let us try to solve this problem. In order to solve the problem, we'll have three columns. Particulars, firm A and firm B. More column irutte, firm A, firm B. Okay. Now, first always what we will take? We will take the sales. Check here. Firm A sales is how much? 20 lakh rupees. Firm B is 30 lakh rupees. From sales, we will deduct sales in ನಾವೇನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 40% ಫಾರ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ ಎ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫರ್ಮ್ ಎ 40% ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 20 lakh. Sales is 20 lakh. On that 40% you need to do. So 20 lakh into 40,000 or 40%. 20 lakh into 40% is 8 lakh rupees. Next, for firm B, sales value is 30 lakh. Sales is to 30 lakh. How much percentage is the variable cost? I have told in the question. It is 30%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 30% ತಗೋಬೇಕು variable cost. So 30%. Now solve. 30 lakh into 30% will be 9 lakh. Next, when we deduct, we will get contribution. Sales na ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 20 lakh minus 8 lakh is 12 lakh. Then 30 lakh minus 9 lakh will be 21 lakh. Now from that we need to deduct fixed cost. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. How much they have given fixed cost? For firm A it is 5 lakh and for firm B it is 7 lakh. So 5 lakh and here it is 7 lakh. We will get EBIT or operating profit. Fixed cost na contribution ಇಂದ ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ EBIT ಅಥವಾ operating profit ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 12 lakh minus 5 lakh is 7 lakh. 21 lakh minus 7 lakh is 14 lakh. Next, from this we need to deduct the interest. Interest ನಾವು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Interest of firm A is 1 lakh and firm B is 1,25,000. So interest of firm A is 1 lakh and firm B interest is 1,25,000. We will get EBT, or it is also known as earnings before tax. Earnings before tax. What is the earnings before tax? 7 lakh minus 1 lakh. 7 lakh minus 1 lakh is 6 lakhs. Then 14 lakh minus 1,25,000 will be 12,75,000. Using this income statement, we need to calculate operating leverages as well as the financial leverages. Now, let us calculate the operating leverages. First, we will do like this. So both firm A as well as firm B we need to calculate. To calculate operating leverages, the formula is, first I will divide it as firm A and firm B. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಫರ್ಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ firm A and firm B ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So the formula to calculate the operating leverages will be contribution divided by EBIT. Same operating leverages formula ಏನು, contribution divided by EBIT. Now first let us solve for firm A. Firm A contribution is 1,20,000. EBIT is 7 lakh. So 12 lakh divided by 7 lakh. So 12 lakh divided by 7 lakh is 1.71 times. This is the operating leverage of firm A. Next, firm B operating leverages. Let us check. Firm B contribution is 21 lakh. EBIT is 14 lakh. So 21 lakh divided by 14 lakh. 21 lakh divided by 14 lakh. The OL of firm B will be 1.5 times. Next, we need to calculate the operating leverages. Sorry, operating leverages we calculated. Next is financial leverages. So the formula to find out the financial leverages, what is the formula? The formula is EBIT by EBT. Formula financial leverages ki calculate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ formula ಬಂತು EBIT divided by EBT. What is the EBIT of firm A? The EBIT of firm A is 7 lakh. EBT is 6 lakh. So it will be 7 lakh divided by 6 lakh. 7 lakh divided by 6 lakh. We will get the financial leverage of firm A. The answer is 1.17 times. Next, let us check for firm B. Firm B EBIT is 14 lakh. EBT is 12 lakh 75,000. So we need to divide 14 lakh with 12 lakh 75,000. 14 lakh and 12 lakh 75,000. When you divide that, we will get 1.10 times. So the financial leverages of firm B is 1.10 times. This is the way we need to solve this problem. Hope you have understood this problem very well. If you have any doubt while solving these kinds of problem, please let me know your doubts in the comment box so that I can respond to your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. From next video, we'll start solving the section C problems. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.